guys, that's what I picked up. Little Peugeot partner van, Copart, quite a clean little thing. That's the damage. Cat end. It's quite a straight little van. A few little marks, but as far as a work van goes, this is in very, very good order. I think it's done about 140 thou. Engine's sweet on it, battery's flat, so I got it running. Right front door open. We've got an engine management light we'll sort out. Let's try and get this. There we go. 142 thou. Yeah, I won a couple the day before Christmas Eve. Just thought I'd grab something I can muck around with, but I don't really need to paint. So it doesn't look to be much damage under here. The bumper was all hanging off, so I unclipped it. I already picked up a door and a bumper for it. So let's drag it in, get it on the ramp, strip it down and have a look at it. Well, I definitely didn't realise that had a dent in it as well. Otherwise I would have tried to buy another one. She's up in the air. And this looks all good, like I said. So all the bumper's just torn off the bolts, all the bolts are behind there. So I'm going to try and get this unbolted and we'll have a little look. It's probably pushed in a tiny little bit there, but all the floor and all that's all good. So there's no real major crushed in unsuspected damage. So yeah, let's start stripping this off. Let's have a little look. There we go, get in there, back bumper's on. All lines up all right. Just got to put the arch wells back in and do all of that up. And then we can get to stripping the door off and sort that a lot out. It weren't really touched under there. The edge of the lip I had to just sort of tweak round a little bit with the with just a pair of grips. On the thinner bit it just folded under a bit, I pulled it back so the bottom nuts here you could get to, it just sort of went in a bit. But yeah, literally a little tweak, that was that. Yeah, let's start sorting this. I'll do the arch wells, clip all them back up and then we'll get the door off. I'm starting to strip this door down. What I'm doing is I'm taking the original lock out because we want the original lock in the new door with a key. And this new door has come with the wiring loom in the door and they've disconnected it from inside the van. Whereas I don't want to undo all of that and go find the wiring. So I'm disconnecting our wiring down here and up here. And I'll reinsert this into the new door. And if you're ever unsure of anything, like how all these rods and that go, then always take a photo before you take things off. All I've done is undone the retaining bolts, so the locking mechanism is loose now. But I can refer back to this bit of video and then check how they'll go back together and in what order. So it's always good practice if you can take a picture. So I'm going to start stripping all of that lot out. I'll see you in a sec. Scrap that. We'll go with changing the loom out of the motor. Reason being is when I remove the high level brake light, got a wire up here, which is all well and good, we can get the wire out, but it runs down in here and then comes out here. Well, how am I going to thread that all the way back around that channel when you can't access it? You can only access it there. So I found out where it unplugs and I pulled the door loom out. So what we do is we put the original lock in, wire the loom out of that door into the van there and then put the wooden panels back on. I'll do that now. Right, that's that all done and on. I didn't realise how buckled and dented that back door was. I just pushed a bit of it in, but it looks horrendous. So I'm going to probably buy another door, smash the door on, just to get it usable. I mean, listen, it's a work van and it's clean for a work van. They're normally dented to crap everywhere, but this one's really good condition, to be honest. I've got the battery on charge. It needs a wash, but even inside it's pretty clean. Seat covers and all that. Look at that. For a work van, it's been looked after. It's got Pirelli tyres on it, which is sort of unheard of for a work van. So whoever owned it has looked after it. In general, the condition of it's really good, to be fair. That door's all right, a couple of ping-dings in it that we put on, but I only bought this because I knew I could get away, little ding on that door there, could get away with bolting panels on in colour, so we don't have to paint nothing. Turn it around, flip it, earn a couple of bob. Yeah, it makes someone a good little van, don't get me wrong, but I could probably sell it with that door like that, but that's awful. I think I'll give 75 quid for that door. Let's see if we can find a Bipper door for the right hand side and tidy it all up then. Right, let me put my tools away. There we go, just took it for a blast. Drive spot on. Engine sounds sweet. Yeah, I think hunt for a back door rather than sell it like that. The tracking's a little bit off. Can't stand it when the tracking's off. Tracking's on a piss a little bit, so we'll sort that out. But yeah, nice little easy fix. Morning's work really. Do. Just wants a clean up. I'm going to hunt for a door. I'll go and get the tracking done on it. It's still MOT to October next year, I think. I'll send off for the logbook. Private plate on it has been removed. I have got the original reg, so I can apply for that and get that sorted. Just a quick little one today. I bought a couple of bits just to keep me ticking over the Christmas period. I didn't want to buy stuff that I got to paint. Can't paint in here because of that crap, but I thought little couple of bits to just do and tinker around with, buy panels in colour, nice easy jobs. So I've done that. I've got that van, got a little Fiesta, and I've got a little Corsa Sport thing. So got a few bits to do. I might record some of them as well for you and see how we get on. But yeah, that's it. Jobs today. Can't do anything else. I'm going to go and look for some parts. So massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.